Okay, guys, a quick video here on Coinbase. Those of you who are part of the membership in the trading room, I haven't traded Coinbase for quite a while, to be honest with you, since I think last September. That was the last time we traded Coinbase in the room. But I'm starting to see there are earnings coming up this week, I believe on Tuesday. I'm not sure. Let me go check my calendar. I believe it's Tuesday after the close. We have, let me see, it's Tuesday? Is it Tuesday? I could be wrong. Let me get that right. Yeah, it is actually Tuesday after the close. Okay, Tuesday after the close. You are gonna get earnings from Coinbase. So what can we expect from that? I mean, the implied move is about 13 bucks, I believe, or $14. So the stock closed right on the 65. So that will take you to the line in the sand of 50. And I have it here in the room posted. So if you look, that 50 bucks has to hold after earnings. Okay, if we drop these 50 bucks, then we are in trouble when it comes to Coinbase, and you have to be careful the way you trade in it if you're investing for the longer term on Coinbase. The lot of tickets that I would say you're gonna have to wait once earnings comes in, or you want to play into earnings, is go safe. Okay, try not to go all crazy about it. You can play with a put credit spread, or you can do just sell naked puts if you want to own the stock. You can sell the 50. Let me see how much are the 50 puts, right? If you really don't have, like myself, I mean, I do not have the stock right now. I don't own it. You can sell the 50, and the 50, let's go here, the 50 strikes. The 50 put for the month of March is paying about $3, right? The one that expires on the 17th of March. The one that expires after earnings, okay, the 50 is about $1.10. So you can sell this one for $1. Wait probably Tuesday morning. Remember, the market is going to be closed on Monday. So wait, see how the stock reacts, and if it holds. You can collect 110 bucks. Worst case scenario, if the stock drops $10 or $15, which is the expected move, Friday you're gonna get assigned those shares to you, and your cost is gonna be like around 49 bucks, $48.10 if you sell them at $1.10 coming Tuesday afternoon. Okay, so you can play it this way, or you can go with the 50-49, the spread. Okay, and you might have some time to defend it if it drops below the 50. The 50-49, I think, is paying like a 30 cents, 15 cents right now. So you might want to wait, okay, if we drop Tuesday morning, to collect about 33%. Okay, 33 cents on the spread. You can go ahead, and that's gonna give you about 33 bucks. If you want to go directional and play the directional trade, I would go with the 60. I think the 60 in the money already. The 60 in the money will give you a very good result in case Coinbase jumps back to the 70s. The chart itself, the way I'm seeing it is, we talk about the supply, right? When we exited last September, we talked about the supply right there at the 70s. A lot of people holding back holders here on the 70s, and we found the same supply now, okay, here in January. My concern is, will this stock go and test now that 50? Okay, that's my only concern. Or will eventually now go back to the 79s and start finding value here, some balance before we break to the 50% FIV number. Now, it is a little overextended if we want to plan for the 120s, but I think for a quick trade, it wouldn't be bad to see the response on the 50s and maybe play with after earnings, play with the calls going into March, maybe potentially April. So if you do own the stock, well, kudos to you. This has been a great run from the 40s to the 50s, 65. But if you do not own the stock, then by all means, start looking into those 50 puts, right? Buy some time out, go all the way to April or the March OPEX. Let the earnings come in. If the earnings, gives you a drop, chances are, in a week or so, this will probably reverse, and then Theta will help you with those puts to get them to zero. Like I said, right now they are not paying so much money. You might want to wait. They are paying about $3. The April 50, let me look at the April. I didn't check the April this morning. April 50 is about 500 bucks. Not so bad. Okay, your cost is going to be $45 if you get assigned. You can sell them for about $530 if you can do naked puts, cash secure puts on your account. I will see by Tuesday morning or probably Tuesday afternoon. I'll post it in the chat what's going to be the strategy that I'm going to apply to it. Not so inclined to play going into earnings. I have seen some defense, right? So far, very nice distributions from the top. But if you look at the anchor VWAP, okay, something that I use for some of my trades with options, I'm anchoring it right now in the month of January after the nice consolidation after December right here on the 35 bucks. And then we got the nice move to the 85 supply. And if you look, the anchor VWAP is right at $57. Okay, as of today, it's right at $57. So if earning comes and they are really bad, chances are we're gonna go and tag that VWAP, and we can use this VWAP, okay, the anchor VWAP as a support to plan our trade with options. Then we can go directional with the 55 call at the money. You can go directional at the money, going a month out, maybe, or 7 days out, whatever you would like to trade on, and then play with that and probably finance it by selling the 50 call, by 50 put, excuse me. So what I would do is go ahead and sell the put at the bottom, right? Remember, this is paying you like $5 right now for April. So you will collect about $550 on this one. Sell this one, sell the 50 put, okay, and collect some money. And then turn around and with that put that you collected, with the money that you collected on the put, go ahead and go and buy the call, right? Buy the $55 call right here at the money. Once after earnings, we hit it and we hold it. That would be the idea, and that way it's a free trade, okay? You're not paying nothing out of your money, and you are right in the stock back to the moon if this stock goes back to the 70s, 75. It will be almost like a free trade when it comes to Coinbase. Okay, so that's all I have for you guys on Coinbase. I'll be planning my strategy coming Tuesday morning. I want to see the reaction Tuesday morning. Remember, markets are now in the mode of, giving us a small pullbacks. I always tell people you have to know what cycle you are currently in. And the current cycle of the market is, the last 2 weeks of February. On my other videos, you're probably going to hear that, are not the best weeks, right, to hold on to long trades or theta decay options if you're doing directionals. I would probably wait until the end of the month or after earnings, see if I can play it out and sell some premium now that the market is dropping. The last 2 weeks of February are not the best weeks, all right, to just go and load calls. That's just my own personal strategy, my own opinion. The SPX, as you can see on the weekly chart, it looks to me like these guys are probably going to hold on to that 4,000 and probably even go and test the 618, which will take you to the 3,900s, 3,930 area. If they are going to do that, then you're going to have a good pullback on NASDAQ, technology stocks, Apples, the FANGs, the Teslas, the Coinbase, and a bunch of others. And you might get a better opportunity by waiting. So you have to be really smart with your money in the next coming weeks. All right. So again, Coinbase start to look attractive here on the 55s. I like the play. I'll see if I can hold on to a couple of calls, maybe go directional on it, sell maybe a spread, finance my calls by selling some puts, and take some money out of the market. All right. Well, guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Please go give it a thumbs up. Really appreciate the help. Thank you. I'll be seeing you guys in the trading room. By the way, if you have not part of the room, go ahead. At the end of the video, there is information that I'm posting here for you guys to join us. Take care. God bless you. Have a fantastic rest of your weekend. Bye now.